Good morning. We are doing class 9 revision chapter 2. Okay. Question 1. Find the area of the region between two concentric circular paths if the radii of the circular paths are 210 meter and 490 meter respectively. So concentric circle means what? Circles having the same center. So solution, let me show you how to do. Okay, suppose this is a circle and you draw by compass and pencil. Okay, I am doing by freehand. Okay, use scale and compass. All right, so circles having the same center. So suppose these are the two concentric circles, okay, having the same center. It is given radii of the two circles are given. Radius of this small circle, this one is given 210 meter, okay, and the radius of bigger circle is given 490 meter. We have to find the area of the region between two concentric circular path. That means we have to find this region. We have to find the area of this region. Okay, this one. Clear? So how to find? To find the area of this circular region or path, from the bigger circle we have to subtract the area of the smaller circle. Okay, we have to subtract the area of smaller circle from the area of bigger circle. So how to find answer? You see, solution, you see, directly I'll do. Okay, the area of the region, the area of the region between two circular, the area of the region between two circular paths equal to, okay, area of circle. We know the formula of area of circle is pi r square, pi. So pi r, here radius of bigger circle is 490, so pi r square, okay, pi r square minus area of smaller circle, it is pi r, here radius means 210, pi r square. Clear? Okay, now value of pi is your 22/7 plus 490, you can write 490 into 490. Okay, then pi value 22/7 into 210 into 210. Clear now this one? Now we can cancel this one. 7 7 are 49, cancel. Here also 7 3 are 21, this 0. Okay, so it will multiply this one, 22 into 70 into 90 or 490. If you multiply, you will get 7 5. You will get 754,600 minus, again if you multiply 22 into 210 into 30, you will get 138,600. 138,600 will get, and then if you subtract this one, 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 6 minus 6 0, take on 14, 14 minus 8 is your 6, here remain 4, 4 minus 3 equal to 1, here remains 7, 7 minus 1 equal to 6. This is the answer. Okay, next question. the area of triangle ABC is 30 centimeter square and measure of its height AD with respect to the base BC is 10 centimeter. Find the measure of BC. Okay, you have to find the measure of BC. So how to find? Let me show you solution part. Okay, yeah, diagram. Let me draw diagram. Suppose this is the diagram of triangle ABC. It is given AD is the height. This is the height, altitude. Okay, or height. Clear? AD and height of the altitude is given 10 centimeter. You have to find BC. So what is given is given part, given what is given? Area of triangle ABC equal to given 30 centimeter square. Clear? AD is given, AD equal to given 10 centimeter. We have to find BC. Required to find what to find? To find the measure of BC. Okay. Now area of triangle. We know that area of triangle ABC equal to given 30 centimeter square. Okay, we know the formula of area of triangle ABC equal to half into base. Base is your BC into height. Height is your AD. Okay, equal to 30. Put the value of BC. After BC you don't have to find, but AD value given 10. Alright, 10. 2 5 are 10. So 5 1 are 5. BC equal to 13. To find BC, so BC equal to 30 by 5. 6 5 are 30 or 5 6 are 30. So BC equal to what you got? 6 centimeter. This is the value of BC. Okay. So today is last question. Okay. Rest will do tomorrow. Solution. The radius of a semicircular garden is 10 centimeter. Okay. Sorry, 10 meter. Find the area of the garden. Take pi equal to 3.14. Okay. So semicircle given, radius given. So what is given here? Radius R equal to what given? 10 meter. We have to find the area of the garden. The shape of the garden is semicircular. Semicircular means half of the circle. Semi. Clear? And we have to find the area of the semicircle. We know that area of circle equal to pi r square. So therefore area of garden equal to what? Garden is semicircular, so formula will be half pi r square. This is the formula of area of semicircle. Okay, area of circle is pi r square, so area of semicircle is half pi r square. Half value of pi is your 3.14 and radius is given 10 into 10, 2 times 10 square. Okay, by 2 cancel, 2 1 is 2, 1 remain, point is the key point, 2 5 is 10, 1 remain, 2 7 is 14. I think understood cancellation. Again you see, 2 1 is 2, 1 remain, 11, 2 5 is 10, 1 remain, 2 7 is 14. After point 2 figure you put here. Okay, then multiply here 1020 right, 157 into 1, it is 157. After point 1 2 figure, so 1 2 figure put here, the 0 meaningless, so it is 157 meter square. This is the answer and this is the last question. Okay.